ever wondered how inheritance works in C#? At its core, inheritance is a pillar of object-oriented programming. It's a process where a new class, aptly named the derived class, is born from an existing class, the base class. The derived class not only inherits all the features of its parent, the base class, but it can also flaunt new features of its own. So inheritance in C# is all about reusability and adding extra features to existing classes. Now, how about the syntax of inheritance in C#? Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a base class called mammal. To create a derived class, say dog, you simply declare dog and use a colon to show it's inheriting from mammal. So it would look like this: class dog, mammal. Here, the colon is the key, signifying inheritance. It's like saying dog is a type of mammal. Remember, colon signifies the inheritance, and the derived class always comes first. Why even bother with inheritance in C# in the first place? Well, imagine inheriting a treasure chest of code, ready for reuse. It's about saving time, reducing redundancy, and keeping things dry. Don't repeat yourself. With inheritance, you can override methods, tailoring them to your unique needs. More so, it allows you to create specialized classes from more general ones, like crafting a diamond necklace from a plain gold chain. Inheritance is a powerful tool that enables us to write efficient and organized code. Time to recap what we've learned about inheritance in C#. Inheritance, a pillar of object-oriented programming, allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. In C#, the syntax involves the colon symbol to establish this relationship. The benefits? Code reusability and organization, as well as a reduction in complexity. Through inheritance, we can create more general classes and more specific subclasses. Inheritance in C#, a simple yet powerful concept that enables us to write efficient and organized code.